Hey, what's up guys? I hope you're doing great. Welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. The name still remains Oboypapi. And today's video I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited Facebook accounts without using a phone number or a Gmail account. Okay, so if today is your first time being on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel because I have more interesting videos like this coming up. And if you're already a subscriber, please, after watching my video, do not hesitate to smash the like button so that we get to know that you actually like my video. And if you have any problem concerning my videos, do not hesitate to comment on the comment section so that I could attend to you, because I always respond to comments. Okay, so guys, without wasting much of your time, I will set the ball rolling.
If I told you I have the best job for you, will you be interested? A once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to earn more than you could spend. All you need is 50 Ghana cedis, and a smartphone to be part of this great opportunity. You will stand the chance to go home with plasma TV, smartphones, laptops, foodstuffs and expensive cars. And also enjoy a luxury vacation around the world. Contact us now to be part of this great opportunity.
Okay guys, welcome back once again. So I will need you to open your phone's browser. Okay, it could be any browser. Okay, I'm using a Chrome browser. Okay, so you need to enter Yandex. Okay, Yandex Mail. That is the platform that we are going to use to create email. Okay, so we don't need Gmail account to be able to do that. So with the Yandex Mail, you will be able to create a mail account so that we can use to create the Facebook account. So now you click on create an account. Okay, now you enter your name. Okay, let me put a name like Randa. Okay, last name Lance. Okay, the username I'll make it like Lance Hustle. Okay, so Lance Hustle. Then you enter your password. Okay, let me hide. I'm hiding my password. Okay, so with this one, it asks you to enter a phone number. Okay, so this one you can see we are not going to use the phone number. So you click on I don't have a phone number, a mobile number. Okay, then it will ask you to select or choose a security question. So let's select a security question. The street you grew up on. Okay, then you enter, let me put Accra. Okay, so now let's enter the characters. Okay, well, let's select a different. Okay, so Charles. So you spell Charles. Okay, then you click on register. Okay, you need to accept the terms and conditions. Okay, so Yandex Mail, I think. Okay, so now our account is now created. As you can see over here, you save the details. Okay, then you go to next. You click on next. Okay, then you turn it on. Okay, so our account is now created, as you can see here. Now we need to go ahead and use the details to sign up on Facebook. Okay, but before we do that, I need you to install the Yandex Mail app. So click on install. Okay, it will take you to Play Store. I've already installed the app on my phone, so it didn't take me to Play Store. So if you're not having the app, it will take you to Play Store where you download the app. Okay, so once you download the app, you open it, and now you log into the first one, which is the Yandex. Okay, so the Yandex now, it will ask you for your login details. Okay, so let me enter my my address. Now go to your browser. Okay, and copy your address. Facebook sent us the code. Okay, so now you need to copy the code. You need to copy the code. Okay, once you copy the code, you go to Facebook, then you enter the code, then you click on confirm. Okay, so our account is now confirmed. So let's select a picture for our profile. Okay, you select something from your gallery. Okay, so then you click done. You save it. So I'm uploading a profile picture for our account. Okay, so now we escape. Okay, so now we have our Facebook account. Okay, so with this method, you can create unlimited Facebook accounts, as many as you want. You can create as many as you want with the same method. You just keep on creating more email accounts on the Udes, mail. So you create more accounts over there, then you come over to Facebook and use it to do create Facebook account.